What you doing, Bind? What you doing? They're biting you, Bind. They're biting you. You're playing with your puppies. You're playing with your puppies. You're cleaning them all, Benny boy. Chicken nugget. Good boy. Good girl. I don't want that one. You licking them? You checking them? Good kids. Good morning. It's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I've got a really big canvas, long, 2 meters long, and it's half a meter wide. And I just can't fit it in the frame of my camera. I've tried to set up the tripod, it's fallen over, it's done this. So this was one I'm doing for my own bedroom, so I wasn't actually going to film it, but I'm going to try and get in the best of what I can. And yeah, you'll obviously only see part of it, but I just think it's worth me filming, even if you have a good laugh, because I end up, you know, going off my brain trying to do it. Okay, what I've done is I've used the Mont pouring paints. I've used the gold and the copper, and I've used some of the white. And what I've done is I have put it in cups because I've watered it down, because I'm going to do an Aussie blowout. I'm going to blow it out, so I wanted it thin. I've added nothing to it. The Mont pouring paints are pre-made paints, and you don't have to do anything to them. But because I'm going to blow it out with a hairdryer, I had to have them a lot thinner. So I've done that. I also used some of the Boom Art products. It's from the Boom Gel people. Chameleon pigment, which I just mixed up with my Mont pouring medium. So I just got a bit of that because it's supposed to change colours in different lights. So I thought, oh, why not? Put a bit of that in. And then I needed like an orangey colour in it. And so I just mixed up the gold. I just put the gold into the cup like so. And then I added a good blob of the Studio Acrylics orange, and it's kind of sent it this metallic-y orange. So if you get my drift, I've got a big jug of watery navy. I painted the whole canvas just with a sponge. I did the navy on it. So I've just got a big jug of watery navy because I don't care if I don't cover it all, because it's already covered in navy. So I don't know if this works when you don't have the whole canvas covered, but I thought if I can do this bit that's in the canvas, in the camera's lens, then that might help. What I've done is I've poured some of the dragonfly glaze into, I can see it glistening into the bottom coat, and I've poured some of this dragonfly glaze. This colour here was just white, and I added, was just the Mont pouring medium white, but I added the bronze in there, and then a good blob of the dragonfly glaze. And I have got just, I'm not sure if I'm going to use just a little bit of white made up there. And I did add the dragonfly glaze to that too. It's just so to give it some sparkle. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. Sort of, I didn't want white, so it sent it just a odd colour. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use that. But it was mostly the metallics I want to use. And oh, I'm nervous. I'm really nervous now because it's such a large canvas, and I just thought, look, if I don't like the first bit that I do, then I'll just go outside and wash it off quickly, hopefully, because this was coated with 2 coats of the navy over the last few days. So I've got to be brave. Get my hairdryer ready, steady, Eddie, to go, which I'll do that right now. Ooh. My hairdryer ready, and hopefully I'm going to start down here. This is really runny, so I'm not sure how this will go, but gosh, not sure. We just try it, hey? Maybe, yeah. So I might just blow that out first. I hope I don't blow it all into my other paints, because I will not be a happy Jen. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to have to do it in sections, so it's, yeah, can keep it. So, oh my goodness, this is nerve-wracking. All right, I will go with, maybe I'll put the orange down first. Not sure if I should do it in, I don't want it too far up there. Wow, that orange is shimmery because I mixed the gold into it. Really lovely. So this is the bronze. Remember, it's just mixed with water, so I mean, it's pre-made pouring paints, but I've just mixed it with water. We'll go the gold. And I'll go, oh, where's the chameleon? I'll go the chameleon, just put the chameleon in. So hopefully when it's dry, it's got that changing colour effect. Actually would look nice done in a nice big kind of leaf blow, wouldn't it? Oh, stick with the plan, man. Oh, I can push it off if I don't like it. All right, I will put a bit more of the runny blue that's got glistening bits in. I can see it shimmering from that dragonfly glaze. Oh, I didn't want cells, and I've actually got cells, but I didn't put any. There's nothing in this. No silicone. So wish me luck, because I'm hopeless at this particular. The hairdryer stuff. Don't want to do too much blowing on it. That's where I've been going wrong apparently, so I've been told. Kind of scary, because I'm trying to keep minimalistic, but I also want some colour in there too. So I suppose I can doodle with it, but I'm hoping that because I'm not covering the whole canvas in blue, oh, I don't know whether I need to put some more of something else in there, because it's not. Oh my goodness, this is nerve-wracking when you only want something minimalistic and you're not a minimalistic person. Think. I think it needs some more of the gold, the bronze, yeah. Do it. So I will just add blobs of what I want more of. the orange has disappeared, hasn't it? So maybe I'll put the orange on top of this now. So I do want some orange in it. It's got lovely like, oh, veins of the metallics, which is nice. Nice. Yeah, some more of the chameleon. Lily doily. I'm not going to add any more of the blue because it seems to be swallowed up. More like it. That is more like it. Now I think I'll work with this end first and get this right. Sorry, I have my big nut in your way. Well, I need to is less best. Is less best. I think I will go and do the other end, which you're not going to see. So I'll come back in a second. Keeping going, I'm just blowing this paint around. Added more gold, more orange. I want it to have a bit of impact, otherwise it's not me. Oh, this is probably not a good idea for somebody that's not good at this particular thing, but you know, you've got to give them a go. But I suppose giving it a go on a real big 2 meter canvas is pretty risky, but you know, I'm hoping it just dries super sparkly, and even thinking of just resining it in places, not all over, so to give it some oomph. So we'll see. We will see. Just noodling, doodling, I think they call it in Australia. Doodling. I'm a doodler. So I'm going to soften off these edges around, and I will allow it to dry and put some photos on at the end if I decide to scrape it, which I absolutely do not think I will be doing, because I'm actually thinking that I may add some gold or gold flake to it. Looks a little bit different than anything I've done, and it's for myself, so you know, probably a bit top heavy down this end with colour compared to the other end, so I might have to put a Another bit of colour down there, but that's okay, I'll just work with it. So thank you so much for joining me on this big effort of a painting, 2 meters long. It's pretty big to keep under control. So I'll just work with it and I will put the finished photos on. Hopefully in a few weeks you'll see it hanging on my bedroom wall. So bye for now. Thank you so much for joining me, people. I really appreciate each and every one of you. You take care and look after yourselves, and until next time, bye for now.